Hello guys, today I will show you how to make your YouTube channel logo on Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to download an app called PixArt. You can get this app in Play Store. Here is the app logo, you can see. This is the app logo. Then open the PixArt app. Then tap on the plus option. Sorry guys, I have cold, so this is problem. Then go to the color backgrounds. Here you can get many kinds of background colors, but I choose the white one. Sorry guys, there is something wrong in PixArt. Go to the down section, and here you can get many kinds of background colors, but I only choose the white one. You can choose whatever you want. Then go to the tools and go to resize, and then make the size 1532 into 1532. Here you can see I have made the photo size 1532 and 1532. This size you have to make that background for your YouTube channel logo. Then press on resize. Then go to text and tap your channel's first names, first word of your channel names. As I am making technical, the first word is T, make it capital and tap on sign. Then choose and color. I am choosing the color like technical Guruji. This is the orange color. And then go to fonts and choose what font you want. This font I will choose for the channel logo. When you have done, press the sign or button in front in the upper section. Then go to draw. Sorry guys, then go to draw and then again draw, and then choose the color white, make the color white, and go to this section and choose this one, square one, and make it fill, and then okay. Then we have get the rotate option and make this like this, and then put it in here, and then resize it at your choice. And I will put this like this, no, not like auto small. and then press the OK. Press in the screen. I am going to take that shape and make a cut on this side. And then take another one and make it slim. It was too fat. We will make it slim. Sorry guys for my bad English. And make this side white. Then press in the sign. Then go to text again and type C. This word will also be capital. Then choose the color black and then the fonts. I will choose this C and then make it large and then press and make it done. And then press the sign. And then again go to draw and then choose the color white and then choose the square and make it fill and then sorry guys, and then make it that small, that size. When you have matched it, when we have matched, then make the white square that we have. Oh sorry guys, then make this like this one and then tap OK. Here you can see in the T there was a black, then we choose the orange one and then make it orange. Then make it black. No, sorry guys, the black one you have to make orange, thus you can make it orange. Then again go to white, choose white color and then grab one and make a cut here. There was some extra orange color, that's why we are cutting it. When you have done, press in the screen, then you have to choose another one. Here we also cutting the C smaller like this, and then you can cut these angles like this. You can take that shape when we have select in downside, then cut. Then tap on the sign option. Then go to the text again, and then make all that capital and type technical. The technical word spelling will have all capital words. Then choose the fonts. Sorry guys, go to the color and choose the color black. I think black will be better. Then choose the font, and then I think the font color may orange good or red. No, I think the black was the better one. Yeah. Then press on the sign and again go to the draw, and then choose the orange color and go to the square and make it fill. And make it like this. You can cut two sides of the orange square. Then have a white color, and then you can cut two sides of it like this, and when we have done here in this side, then go to that side and make a cut like this. Then match 2. Then match two sides of it like this. Sorry guys, I am trying to make the video shorter, so I can't take that two sides as same one. Then go to text and type channel. Sorry guys, you have to make the channel all of the capital words. Make it small. Make the channel size small, and that can fit in the orange color shape below. When you have done, press the sign. Then go to tools. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. go to tools, and then shape crop, then go to round and make it this way, which size you want. Then you can make it large or smaller. I will put it small. You can change the background, but I will make it small, 0 size and white. Then go to save and then press in the arrow option, the upper section, and save it to your gallery. And preview it from your gallery. This is the channel logo we have made. Thus you can also make your YouTube channel logo with your Android phone with one application. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel and comments below.